Hi and welcome back to my channel for another art journaling video. Today I'm sharing a super easy art journal page in my 6x6 watercolor journal. I'm using limited supplies today and it's a perfect page for beginners. I start by gluing down some old book papers with a glue stick. I also go through my stash and I have a paper pad that I bought a while ago because I really like the papers inside. They are from a thinner quality and perfect for collaging, and I just picked one of them out that looked interesting, and I also adhere it with that glue stick. I prefer the glue stick for my collages when I am not going to go on top with tons of media. It dries much quicker than gel medium, obviously, and it also doesn't wrinkle the paper. I'm adding a layer of gesso. That's what I most of the time do with my art journal pages. It blends the background and it also gives it a little bit of an artsy look. When the gesso is dry, I'm adding color with the Stabilo Woodies, but you don't have to use the Woodies for that technique. You can also use any other kind of art crayon that is water-soluble, for example the Gelatos or the Neocolor crayons. It's something that I recommend when someone is interested in starting with art journaling. It's get yourself some gesso and any kind of water-soluble crayon and you can start creating. My favorites are the Neocolor crayons because they are highly pigmented and from a very good quality, and they come in so many gorgeous colors. The woodies are also really nice to work with, but they are limited when it comes to the colors. I would not recommend the Gelatos. Finally, I think they don't work as good as the Neocolor crayons, and I often create mud with them. I have no idea why this happens. But if I would start new with art journaling, I would pick the Neocolors. A nice effect is when you just scribble the crayon onto your page and then add a little bit more water so the color drips down your page. As always, you will find a link to my blog where you can see the detailed photos of the project. As my focal point, I'm using the Grungy Butterfly number 4 from Rubber Dance, and it is stamped to, I believe, watercolor paper, and it's colored in with distress inks. It's just because I had this in my stash and it matches the colors perfectly of the background. And here you see me stamping the butterfly also directly to the page. And I'm doing this because I cut off the antennas of the other butterfly, and because I stamped it to the page, the antennas will be back. I'm adding some black and white splatters to the page to give it more vibrancy. After I've sticked the butterfly down, I'm adding also a simple sentiment from our Mixer Sentiment stamp set, and it says start small, and I think it's a perfect title for this page. And that was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.